Welcome. During the quick tutorials, you might notice that we use shortcuts to manage our scenes in Badvisor. Here, I want to go through the most important and most used to help you work faster. Open any scene and import one 3D asset. Then, if you shift and left-click on any part of the object, this will open the main asset node. Here you can change the name of the node or move the main pivot point of the asset into a new location. By pressing Shift Ctrl and left mouse, this will open the mesh node that you are hovering over. Here you can find not only similar, but a lot more options, such as Enable, Scaling, Material, and the Action outputs. Now if you click Ctrl and Alt, this will open the Material node. This will also open the material based on the mesh or asset you are on. When you open any node, you will notice that some icons will appear on the top left corner of your screen. These are also tools to help you manage your nodes. From right to left, first you have Zoom Out and then next Zoom In. These are self-explanatory. After that, you have Reorganize Nodes that will bring all your nodes and collapse them right below these buttons. For this option, you can also press Alt and 3 on your keyboard. Then you have Show and Hide Nodes. You can also use Alt and press 2 on your keyboard. And last, we have Close Nodes, which you can also press Alt and 1 on your keyboard to use. If you want to learn more about all the shortcuts and become more familiar with Badvisor, you can go to the Help section in the outliner and click on Shortcuts. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.